Yo, yeah. Massive. What's up, guys? I am back with another video. I am going to cook up a storm right now. I just get off the road and I come in and I feel hungry. So I am going to cook up some salmon and some salad, some vegetable, and boil 2 green banana. So let's dive into it. First, I'm going to wash off the salmon. So I have 4 pieces of salmon here, and it's only 4 of us here. So I'm gonna put these in a container. Let me set it up first so I could take a photo of it. Okay, so I'm taking a photo. Alright, so now I'm going to put them in the container and prepare to get them washed. I need 1 lime. So I'm going to cut a lime and put on it, and then I'm going to wash. And then I'm going to wash it off. I love salmon, guys. The problem is if I eat too much of it, I have headache. Omega-3. I know salmon is omega-3. And I realize that I have a lot of headache when I eat salmon. Who is knocking my door? Alright, so I washed these salmon and I rinsed them. So I am going to season them up. But first I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose. This is some pepper, some red pepper, a little salt. I'm gonna add some Maggi fish season as well. So this is all, and a little black pepper. I need a little black pepper here. So add a little black pepper and I'm gonna mix this season up together. And then I'm just gonna rub it on the fish. So I dry these and I am going to just season them. I'm mixing up the season. Now I'm going to just use my hands and apply the season to the salmon. Guys, seasoning salmon, if you put a little salt and black pepper on the salmon, it tastes good. It doesn't need a lot to taste good. So I'm not putting too much season on it. Even though you see, look like I'm applying seasoning, but it's not a lot. Just trying to massage the season, whatever season I use on it. I'm just trying to get it to make it more tasty. So I'm going to leave it in this container for a couple of minutes while I get some other stuff ready. And then I'm going to fry them. Okay, let's wash my hands. And now I'm going to prepare the carrots. So for this I need 2 carrots. So I need a half a bell pepper, half of each. I have the yellow, the orange, the red, and the green. So I use all 4 bell pepper, 4 different color. It gives that color into the sauce that I'm going to make. I need some garlics, about 4 pegs of garlics, 4 to 5 pegs of garlics. I love a lot of garlics on my fish. It cut the raw taste, the smell, and everything from the fish. So I love to use garlic on my meat. Okay, so what next? Also add a piece of thyme and a piece of scallion, an onion. So I'm gonna strip the onion. And this is potato. So I'm gonna use a white potato or 2 white potato, but I'm gonna shred one of them and then cut up the next one and let it boil. So this is the onion. Stripping the onion. Alright, so now I'm gonna wash this seasoning. I'm gonna get everything washed. And this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it looked like I didn't wash the seasoning, but I did. I washed them. I cannot cook without washing my seasoning, so that part got cutted. So I'm shredding the carrot. And I'm shredding one of the potato right here. This is going to make the gravy a little thick, even though I'm not gonna let it boil all the way out. Alright, so here is the 2-pot. I'm ready to cook. I'm gonna add some oil to fry the salmon. Then I'm gonna put about 4 pegs of garlics in here. Let the pot get hot. So while the pot is getting hot, I am going to put the salmon. I don't want it to be too hot because I don't want it to be all over the place. So I'm frying the salmon, and now I'm going to work on the gravy for the fish, so for the salmon. So first I need some coconut milk. I have some Goya. Normally I use Grace, but I'm testing Goya to see which one give me a better flavor. This is my first time using Goya coconut milk. And so let's see. So I'm using a half can of coconut milk for this recipe. And I'm going to let it boil. I'm going to put 2 pegs of garlic in there, in the coconut milk. Let it boil while I'm getting the rest of stuff ready. So I'm cutting up the onions. Yes, so I chopped the onion real small because I want it to cook. So I add it with the shredded carrot and potato. These are the bell pepper and some garlics. So I'm going to put the garlic in the coconut milk right now to let that boil. So the milk is boiling, guys, and the fish is frying. You see in the old natural way. Yep, turn in these salmon. Don't want him to overcook or get soft. Yep. Salmon is $10 a pound. It's not cheap. $10 a pound for salmon. If you want some good salmon, you gotta pay the money. Okay, so I'm cutting up the bell peppers, otherwise known as sweet pepper. So I'm not doing these small. I want them to be chunky. Cutting up all the peppers. Yep. Get the seasoning together. I'm getting the seasoning together so the pot could look beautiful and flavor. They're messing around. Oh my gosh, leave my camera. Alright guys, so these fish are nice and brown. So it's time to take them out. And I have one more piece. I'm going to put it in the pot and let that one fry by itself. Not too dry though. So the garlic is boiling in the coconut milk. And adding the same piece. And let it fry. Yup. There you go. Seasoning looking lovely over here. Okay, so all the seasoning are cut up. And now I'm going to add some seasoning to the coconut milk, which is a little Maggi all-purpose and a little salt. Put some scallion in here as well. So I need a tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose and just a little salt. No, nothing more. This is going to boil for a few minutes. So while that is boiling, I am making the salad. So this is some lettuce I'm cutting up here. And also what I'm going to cut up is some kale. I have some kale in the fridge. And I need to cut it real fine. Because kale is tough, it's hard. And if it doesn't mince properly, it's going to be hard to chew. So I'm just going to mix that with the lettuce. It's time to put these fish in another pot, and I'm just gonna add the seasoning to it. So the seasonings are cooked, and I am just adding that. Put the fire on low for maybe about 7 to 8 minutes and let that cook. So with this salad now, I add about a tablespoon of honey. This is some black beans. This is some chickpeas. And I'm going to mix. I'm going to mix this in. And guys, I'm telling you, you're missing out. So this is some also raisin. I'm adding a little raisin to this. And that's it, guys. I'm ready to eat. So here it is. I am so ready to eat. So I'm having one banana, a piece of salmon, and some salad. What better way to eat? This is delicious. Delicious. I'm telling you, you need to try this recipe. And guys, if you try it, put it in the comment section below. Okay? This is such a nice, healthy meal. It is so good. Chickpeas, black bean, vegetable, a green banana, iron. What better way? It is absolutely amazing. Guys, if you like this video, don't be afraid to hit that like button, okay? If you don't like it, then that's okay. But if you do like it, don't hesitate to hit that like button and leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think about it. I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Adios. Coconut milk. Man. Oh my gosh. Wow. I have to make you see my face. I get down in that food, yeah. My God. Man. See the salmon? The gravy rich and nice, you see? Oh, yeah. Massive.